The KF-21 Boramae is South Korea's next-generation multi-role fighter aircraft, developed by Korea Aerospace Industries, KI, in partnership with Indonesia. It is designed to replace aging fighter jets and enhance South Korea's air defense capabilities. The KF-21 aims to bridge the gap between fourth and fifth generation fighters with advanced avionics and stealth features. 1. Development and background. Project name: KFX Korean Fighter Experimental. Official name: KF-21 Boramae, meaning Young Hawk in Korean. Development start: 2015. First flight: July 19, 2022. Manufacturers: Korea Aerospace Industries, KI, with support from Lockheed Martin. Partners: South Korea, 80% funding, and Indonesia, 20% funding. 2. Key features and specifications. A. Design and stealth features. The KF-21 has a stealth-optimized design with reduced radar cross-section, RCS. It features twin engines, a sleek aerodynamic frame, and an advanced cockpit. The aircraft does not have internal weapons bays, making it less stealthy than the F-35, but stealthier than traditional fourth-gen jets. B. Performance. Engines: 2x General Electric F414, GE 400K afterburning turbofan engines. Speed: Mach 1.81, 200 km/h or 1,370 miles per hour. Range: 900 km, 1,800 miles. Service ceiling: 50,000 feet. G limits: +9G. C. Avionics and radar. Equipped with an active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, improving tracking and targeting capabilities. Features electronic warfare systems, infrared search and track, RSD, and advanced sensor fusion. D. Weapons and armament. The KF-21 can carry a variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, including Meteor, beyond visual range air-to-air missile. AIM, 120 AMRAAM. AIM, 9 Sidewinder. Korean-made guided bombs and missiles. It will support future integration of laser and hypersonic weapons.